Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Welcome back. Here we have February 17. We have the sheriff helicopter circling, looking around. He gets tagged a few times. He sticks around a total of about 10 minutes. Right there, he gets tagged. So he didn't want to leave. This pilot was very focused. There's that UAP drone right under the chopper. The pilot was very focused. Did not want to leave. I totally understand that. So look what there goes that drone again. Look what he ends up doing. So he circles, and decides to bring it to the ground. I think he thinks he landed on top of the UAP drone. He trapped it. That's the only logical correct answer. Or he had an engine failure. But I don't think it's an engine failure because he's going to fly away pretty soon. So really, just my best guess is he's sure that drone he landed on top of it and he's got it. So here we go. He takes off so he's like a total there of 10 minutes. Unheard of. You'll never see a video like this again. It does not happen. There's no such thing as a police helicopter landing somewhere randomly. It just does not happen. All right, let's go to the next video. Okay, great. What we have here, I believe, look at that UAP Dragon, that drone flew right over that helicopter. That's a new helicopter. Here's the interpolation. Count how many frames is that? Like about 20. So I'm shooting 60 frames a second. It's 1/3 of a second. 1/3, blink of an eye almost. So this blue chopper, I think it's a CBS News chopper. I've never seen them before. I Googled it. I'm pretty sure there are choppers now showing up here that are not from this area. They don't belong here. But the word is getting out. They want to come here. They want to put a camera in their chopper and they want to try to record these things. I don't blame them. I would be doing that too. But we'll see where it's going to go here. Let's go to the next video. Okay, what we have here, February 23rd, we have a real-time video. Did you just see it shoot by on the bottom, the UAP? Here it is, slowed down to 12%, 12%, just like that. LAPD police just looking. He comes here a lot. He comes here maybe 3 to 6, look at that. Look how fast that is, 3 or 6 times a day. I know it's crazy, right? It's about 1,700 miles an hour, no sonic boom. I know it's an impossible speed. I totally understand that. It is what it is. Anyone can come to Marina Del Rey, Los Angeles, record these drones. Anyone, and probably a lot of people are, and they're just not telling anybody yet. I know these helicopters are. Now we have a new trend. We have a new format where 2 helicopters come in, one with a camera filming the second helicopter. The second helicopter is being used as UAP bait. So you'll be seeing that on TV soon. And I'm going to show you video of these 2 helicopters filming each other. Well, let's go to the next. Okay, February 26th, we have the Paracel, Marina Del Rey. Pretty much, once that Paracel exceeds 150 feet, the drone is going to recon the Paracel. Now, the authorities know about that concept, so they synchronize the helicopters to arrive when the Paracel is at 150 feet. And the only thing that really happens is I end up getting more video. The Paracel and the helicopters getting tagged by the UAP drone, aka Dragon. I call them dragons because I thought they were dragonflies. Let's go to the next. Okay, February 28. What we have here is the Department of Water and Power, aka Edison. They're flying in because of their thermal cameras. They have really high quality, some nice quality thermal heat cameras. They can see these UAP drones. These drones do leave a slight heat trail. Looks like tracer bullets. I don't have that video yet, but I'm going to get you one. So they asked the DWP to come in, look around. This thing's flying around in Marina Del Rey, and then look what I captured. This bird and a UAP all in one frame. Amazing stuff, amazing video. This happens like every day practically. So come out to Marina Del Rey, record these yourself. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Visit me on Instagram, Custodian Files. Leave your comments. I want to hear back from you. Tell me what you think all this is. Special ops, nothing, poor optics. You won't hurt my feelings. Just tell me what you think. All right, stay safe, and I'll talk to you later.